Welcome to the midweek recap of English language news from Italy and Friuli Venezia Giulia. Regional Council opens debate on €1 billion budget adjustment.
The Friuli Venezia Giulia Regional Council has begun debating its €1 billion 2026 budget adjustment. While the governing coalition says the plan strengthens investment in businesses, families, and healthcare, opposition parties are calling for greater focus on climate, social policies, and demographic challenges. Lawmakers will now examine more than 500 amendments to the bill.
Friuli Venezia Giulia's technical institutes lead in Italy graduates' employment.
Friuli Venezia Giulia's higher technological institutes ranked among Italy's best, with more than 92% of graduates finding jobs. The region will also invest €15 million to expand programs and campuses over the next 2 years.
E ai vertici nazionali come risultati sia rispetto alle capacità di attrazione sul territorio regionale e fuori dal territorio regionale, sia come risultati non solo di perseguimento del titolo ma anche di inserimento lavorativo ad esito del titolo. Abbiamo superato abbondantemente il 92% di ragazzi e ragazze che alla fine del loro percorso di ITS entrano all'interno del mondo del lavoro. È un dato importante perché vede la partecipazione di tutto il sistema regionale, dal cluster ai parchi scientifici al sistema universitario, una presenza importante e sempre più importante del mondo delle imprese. Abbiamo quasi raggiunto le 130 imprese su tutto il sistema dei 4 ITS. L'altro dato importante è che in percentuale sulla popolazione giovane presente nel territorio e il numero di iscritti agli ITS siamo al vertice.
Heat wave sends Gulf of Trieste sea temperatures to record highs. The Gulf of Trieste is recording unusually high seawater temperatures during the heat wave. OGS measured a record 32.12 degrees Celsius in the Grado Lagoon, with scientists warning that warmer waters could affect marine ecosystems.
In the last weeks, really, we had very high temperatures measured in the sea and also in the lagoons of Grado and Lignano, which are very sensitive environments because they are very shallow, and so temperature can change very rapidly and can get to very high values. And in fact, during the heat wave that we had at the end of June, we measured really high temperatures, really extreme in the lagoons. It's a problem for marine life, especially in this area, we are here in the northernmost part of the Mediterranean Sea. So species seeking to colder waters, they usually migrate to the north or go to the deeper water layers, while here the water is shallow and they cannot swim any further.
In Trieste celebrates 5 years and unveils summer edition.
In Trieste celebrated the launch of its summer edition and its 5th anniversary, bringing together local entrepreneurs, journalists and expats for an evening of community, networking and a toast to the magazine's first 5 years. So what does it mean for you to be here today?
Well, it's a pleasure for me to be here to celebrate the birthday of in Trieste. Happy to be here. I think that this reality in Trieste is a very important publishing company in our town, in our city. It's an important presence not only for foreign people but also for the Triestini.
What would you say is a distinguishing factor of In Trieste? Are you a fan, and why are you a fan of this magazine and this web TV?
I think I wait. I'm not the only one. I wait for 2 months about for next number of In Trieste, just to discover what are the arguments that is treated in the review. So.
Well, it's something that is focused on specific items, that in my opinion are very, very interesting, which does not happen in other, let's say, magazines.
Started following In Trieste since it started. We're now at its 5th birthday. How have you seen the magazine evolve and change over the past 5 years?
Well, first place, I was so happy when it started because my Italian is very poor. And this was the first very interesting magazine in English, which I obviously can understand just a little. So I was very happy about that. And also the articles were always very interesting, deep. So that was great right from the start.
Thank you for watching Trieste Web TV. We speak your language.